everyone, my name is Nagbebenta and I'm selling this motorcycle. Trouble this is when the motorcycle got started and comes out of smoke. This is the wheel of it and it spins so much. This is the wheel can catch it and do like this. I don't like you. This is a new one that starts the motorcycle. This is a holder. That's I don't like you. You want this motorcycle? You can sell a motorcycle and comes out in smoke. This one is all the big. And this one that starts the motorcycle. This is a holder that holds everything up. And this, it's a new one that starts. And this one, you can calm it in this. Okay guys? Okay? Now you just do it. And this is for new ticket. Describe this new one motorcycle. This is how the motorcycle goes and comes out of smoke. Now this is when the motorcycle starts. And this one is like this. And this is a side mirror. This is for a back. And this is a seat for grown up. This is the new wheel. And this is how many are here? 2, right, 2. And this one is kind of do like this. And this one has to start the engine. And this. Channel 2. And don't forget to click the bell and do it. Okay?